Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2016 Chrysler Town & Country. It's right here behind me. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps, nice chrome grille. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Advanta tires. Inside, leather interior. You have second row bucket and third row bench seating. You do have a rear facing entertainment center, so here in this cardboard box you have the headphones for that. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the hatch. There is a 60-40 split on the back seats. Those are stow and go seats, so you can fold them flat into the floor to provide you with more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control as well as dual heated seats and a heated steering wheel. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Chrysler on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report that is provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.